Hey guys, here's a quick little updatey thing. Today, I finally found crates. I have been looking for these. I really wanted the tall one, but this one will do for now. I have plans for it. I just don't know what plans I have for it. It is huge. I can turn it into so many things, but I don't know what I want to turn it into. I was thinking about making this into a broiler box, since we are increasing our chickens and hatching and stuff like that, but I think it may be too deep for that. I could turn it upside and turn it into a storage cabinet. I don't know what I want to do with this. So with all of the things that we have here going on the farm, you take a look at it, give me some suggestions, and I'll make it into something. I don't need a garden box. I have plenty of those. I could use a storage cabinet. It could be a broiler. It could be a lot of different things. So tell you what you do. Go down to the bottom in the comments. Give me suggestions for what you think it should be, and let me build it for you. Thanks for watching Officially Fran. Bye-bye for now.